So in the last class, we went through the transfer function from the state model equation. Okay, so we have given the state equation and output equation. Based on the state equation and output equation, we went through the transfer function, how the transfer function can be found out using the state model equation. Okay, so that formula was C SI minus A inverse B plus D, है ना? So you need to find SI minus A inverse, and already you are familiar with the inverse matrix, how inverse can be found out. Okay, so you can go through based on the problem. Method you can you can go through the determinant. Okay, so you first find out the determinant and then adjoint. So adjoint A matrix and determinant A matrix. So A will be adjoint of A matrix divided by determinant of A matrix. Okay, so determinant of A. So already we have discussed about 2 cross 2 matrix. I'll go through the 3 cross 3 matrix, and just a quick revision of 3 cross 3 matrix I'll take. So for this I'll take one example. One, this is the A matrix which is given here. 1 cross 1 or 3 cross 3. Okay, sorry, 2 cross 2 or 3 cross 3 matrix will be given. So this is the element which is given as 1, this is 2, and this is minus 2. Okay, oh, sorry. So now and the second row element which is given as minus 1 3 0. So minus 1 3 and 0. Okay, and the third row element is given as 0 minus 2 and 1. Okay, I'll try to find the inverse matrix. So how inverse can be found out using the conventional method, which is given as A inverse is equal to ADJ of A divided by determinant of A. Okay, so first of all I'll try to find out the determinant of A. So how determinant can be found out? So determinant of A will be this is the first element which is given here. So A11 will be written here, and A 2 cross 2 matrix which will determinant of 2 cross 2 matrix which will be given. So eliminating this row and this column, so we'll get 3 0 minus 2 1. So this will be 3 0 minus 2 and 1. Okay, then alternate sign, this will be minus. Okay, so this second element which is 2, so 2 will be written here. Okay, 2 will be written here, and the determinant of this matrix. So eliminating this column and this row, so we'll get minus 1 0 and 0 1. So this will be minus 1 0 0 1. I hope you all are familiar with this. Sorry, determinant. Okay, and alternate sign means again positive, and we have already minus 2, so this will be written as positive into minus 2. This will be minus 2, and determinant eliminating this row and this column, so we'll get minus 1 3 0 and minus 2. So this will be minus 1 3 0 and minus 2. So what will be the determinant of this 2 cross 2 matrix? 3 into 1 minus 2 into minus of minus 2 into 0. So this will be 3 into 1, which is called 1 into 3. Okay, minus 2 into what will happen? This is minus 1 into 0. So this will be, sorry, minus 1 minus 0. So this will be minus 1. Okay, so now we have minus 2 which is written here. This minus 2 into minus 1, what will happen? This will become 2, and 2 minus 0. So this will be again multiplied with the 2. So we will get 3 into 1, which is called 3. Okay, minus of minus 2 will be plus, I'm sorry, plus 2, and this is minus 4. So what will happen? 5 minus 4, which is equal to 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. So this is the determinant of A. Okay, now we can find the adjoint. Okay, So so let me tell you the shortcut method, how you will try, how you will find, okay, shortcut method, okay. And but if you practice for some more problem, 2, 3, 4, 5 problem, you will find this shortcut method is easy to write and easy to find the determinant of A. So maybe many of you are familiar with this. So determinant of A can be found out. Okay, so using the shortcut method. So I have this element which is 1, 2, -2, okay, -1, 3, okay, and we have 0, and we have 0, -2, 1. Okay, I'll repeat this two row, this two column. Okay, I'll repeat this two column here. Okay, so this column will be repeated here, this 1, -1 and 0. Again same, this column will be repeated. So this will be 2, okay, 3 and -2. I have repeated. Okay, this is a shortcut method. So try to see. Okay, so I'll take I'll write a line, diagonal line. Okay, so this will be written from here, starting point this to maybe ending point this one, and again I'll write again this one, and again this one. Okay, now I'm sorry, this line, let me, okay. So this will be written. Okay, so you can see I have covered 2, 0, 0. So I'll cover -2, -1 and this -2 up to till now, till this point. I have started from this point, this corner, and I have ended up to this corner. Okay, ठीक है. And now try to multiply these term and write down. Okay, try to multiply. So 3, 1 into 3 into 1, what will happen? We'll get 3. Okay, again 2 into 0 into 0, again 0. So this will be +0. Again this -2, -1, -2. What will happen? 2 to the 4, 4 into 1. So this will be -4. So it will be written as -4. Okay, so this is, I have written from this point, from this point to this point. Now I'll try to cover from this point. Okay, I will start from this point and I'll end up to this point. Okay, and I'll write with the negative sign and in the bracket. Okay, so try to take this 0, 3 into 2. What will happen? 0, 3 into 2 -2. What will happen? -6. So this will be written as minus, sorry, this is 0. I'm sorry, because 0 is here na, so this will be 0. Again -2, 0, 1, so this will be 0. So again this will be 0. Okay, now 1 into -1 into 2. So I have ended up to this point. I'll not go for this, I'll not go for this, I'll end up to this point. I'll start from here and end up to here. So 1 into -1 into 2, what will happen? This will give you -2. Okay, so this will give you -2. What will happen if you add? This will give you -1. So this will give you -1. This is determinant of A. This is determinant of A from the shortcut method. So -1 minus of minus will be +2. So this will be +2. So what will happen? 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. Same what is given here is same as this one. So both the determinant are same. You can practice for some more problem and try to find out how this can be found out. Start from this point, and end up to this point. Okay, again start from this point and end up to this point. Okay, and if 0 is there, you just multiply it with the 0 and write the 0. Okay, and try to add. Minus sign will be there starting from this point, arrow starting from this point. So this will be this will be written as a plus sign, and all these will be written as a negative sign. Okay, so this is the method to find the determinant of A. Now I'll try to find the inverse using the normal method, which is adjoint of A. Okay, so adjoint of A I'll try to find. Okay, ADJ of A I'll try to find using the normal method, what is there. Okay, and again I'll try to find the inverse of I'll try to find the short using the shortcut method. So now you can see adjoint can be written here. So what will happen? Adjoint of A means I'll write here, and this is written as capital A11. Next is A12, A13. Okay, Now this is A21, okay, A22 and A23, okay. Next is A31, A32 and A33. So try to find and write it down, okay. So see here, if you have this one, and if you're considering this A11, so A11 means this element is A11. So this element is A11. So this row will be eliminated. This column will be eliminated. So what is the adjoint? A11 is this one, and thus determinant of this will be A11. So what is the determinant? This is 3 into 1. So which is called, I'll write here A11. Okay, no problem. I'll write here A11, which is called 3 0 minus 2 1, okay. And the sign convention is also there. So this is plus sign, this is minus sign, okay. Again this is plus sign. Alternate sign will be there, minus plus minus, because it is multiplied with the a matrix which is having alternate sign. This is minus and again this is plus. So now A11 is this one. Now I'll try to find A12. A12 is, what is A12? So this is the second element. I'll try to eliminate this column and this row will be eliminated. So this minus 1 0 and 0 1. So this is minus 1 0 and 0 1, okay. What is A31? A13. A13 is nothing but A13. So A13, you can see this element is A13. Now you know, you don't go to this point. This is not A13. This is written in the adjoint matrix. It is calculating in a column wise, sorry, calculating in a row wise, and putting into a column, okay, column wise. So substituting in a column wise. So try to go for A13. A13 is this element. So this row will be eliminated. This column will be eliminated. Minus 1 3 and 0 minus 2. So this will be written as minus 1 3 and 0 minus 2, okay. Similarly, you can find for another, so A12 we will try to find another element. I'll try to find, okay. So this can be written in a adjoint matrix. So this matrix will be written in this form. This is the matrix, okay. So we'll try to substitute all these in this matrix, and again we'll go for the inverse. So try to calculate this adjoint. So 3 into 1 minus 2. So this will be element will be 3. Okay, I'll let you know how I have calculated for first column. So I'll give you, okay, it is matching our shortcut or not. Only first column will be matched, okay. And you can find another also. So A12 you can find A12, A21 can be found, A22 can be found, A23 can be found. So similarly you can find, okay. What is this one? This is minus 1 into minus 1 into 1, which is called minus 1 and 0. So this will be minus 1, and this already minus sign is there. So try to find in a row wise and put it into the column, substitute into column wise. So this will be plus 1, okay. Now what will happen? This is minus 2 into minus 1. What will happen? This is 2 minus 0. So this will be 2, and this is positive sign. This is written as 2. Other element can be found out, okay. I hope it is correct. Now try to use the shortcut. So how the shortcut says, you have all these element which is given here. You can find the you can take this element only, this which we have found out using the for determinant. So you take this one, okay, 2 minus 2, okay, and write minus 1, sorry, minus 1 3 0, okay. 0 minus 2, don't write again. I have done for separate. I am finding the separate for determinant and adjoint, so I have written separately, but you can go through the shortcut and you can write only one go, okay. So again we have a two column which is repeated. These two column are repeated here. So this is 1 minus 1 0 2 3 and minus 2. Again for the adjoint, I'll go for two rows which will be repeated here. Two column which is repeated here for the determinant, and two row will be repeated for adjoint, and this column is also used. So I'll try to write these two row as a repeated 1 2 minus 2 1 and 2, okay. And this is minus 1 3 0, okay, minus 1 and 3, okay. Now see, for finding the adjoint, try try to eliminate after writing this type of thing. You try to eliminate this first row and this first column. Try to eliminate this first row and first column, and now write down the adjoint. So this is the first A11, 30 minus 2 1. What is written here? 30 minus 1. So 30 minus 2 minus 1. Again for A12 is this one, 0 1 minus 1 0. See, okay, 1 minute. 0 1 minus 1 0. 1 minute. 3 minus 2. I have written correctly now. 3 minus 2. Okay, 0 1. Okay, correct. So this is 0 minus 1 1 0. Now again go for this one and try to find. So what is this? Minus 1 0 3 minus 2. See what happens here. I have written A12 and A12 directly here. Okay, A12. But here I have written A minus A12. So if you multiply it with the minus sign, so this will basically interchange. This row, this column will be interchange here. Okay, so try to find and see this one is coming or not. So see what will happen for this one. Try to find what is this. This you got 3 into 1. So this you got 3. What will happen? This is 0 into 0 and minus 1 into 1. So this is 0 minus of minus 1. We'll get 1. So 1 I am getting here directly. Do not multiply it with the minus sign again. Do not multiply it with the minus sign. This method you have to write this minus sign here. But for this method, write directly. Okay, write directly here. Find in a row wise and substitute in a column wise. Okay, I'll let you know. See what happened. This is 2 into 1. So minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 1. What will happen? 2 2 minus 0. So this I'll write 2. Okay, I'll write for this. It is. I'll take one more problem and I'll try to calculate. Okay, so 2 is written directly. Now go for here and try to find what is happened. See this one. I have I have again omitted this one and I am writing for this second row. Okay, second row. For finding the second column means I am going for second row. So this minus 2 into minus 2, what will happen? This is 2 to the 4. 4 minus 2, what will happen? This 4 minus 2 will give you the 2 value. Okay. Now 1 into 1, 1 into 1 or minus 2 into 0. So this will give you 1. Now again this one 2 into 0, this is 0 and minus 2 into 1. What will happen? This is minus 2 into 1. So minus 2 and again this is 0 minus 2. So 0 minus of minus 2 into 1. So this will give you 2. Okay. Try to find for third column. So we'll go for third row. So 2 0 3 into minus 2. So 2 0 0 and 3 into minus 2 minus 6 into 1 minus 6 into minus 1. So we'll give you plus 6. Now minus 2 into minus 1, what will happen? Minus 2 into minus 1 is 2 and 0 into 1. So 0. So it will give you 2. Okay. Now what will happen for this one? So try to calculate for this one. 3 into 1. So 3 minus of minus 2. 3 minus of minus 2 means 3 plus 2, which is 5. Okay, so this is the determinant. This is the determinant. Sorry, this is the adjoint. And after finding the adjoint, try to substitute in this matrix. So what was the determinant of this? Determinant of this was 1. So I'm writing here 1 by 1 and writing the this adjoint matrix. So this is 3 1 2 1 2 and 6 2 5. So what will happen? This will be written as inverse of A will be matrix A will be 3 1 2 2 1 2 6 2 5. I hope this is correct. Okay, so this is the method. You can go through this. Okay, I'll take one more problem to understand to better understanding. For better understanding, I'll go for one more problem, and for this problem, I'll take a matrix which is basically which is given as. Let me take one more problem. Okay. Uh, do by your own. Okay, A matrix which is given here 1 2 5, 1 2 5, and 3 1 4, 3 1 4, okay, and 1 1 2, 1 1 2. Okay, so I'll use again shortcut method and try to find the A inverse matrix. Okay, so A inverse matrix I'll try to find. So see, I'll write for determinant 1 2 5, okay, 3 1 4, again 1 1 2 1 3 1. I'll repeat here. This column will be repeated 2 1 1. Now I'll repeat the two rows, so which is 1 2 5 1 2. Okay, again the second row will be repeated 3 1 4 3 1. So I'll tell you, first go through the adjoint matrix. Otherwise वो क्या होगा ना कि you can go through determinant also, but first go through this method. Okay, okay, no problem. If you want, you can go through this. Okay, so I have marked three rows. Okay, here, and first I'll go for determinant. So no problem. I'll go for determinant. You can go for adjoint also. So I'll go for determinant, and this determinant says start from this point and end to this point. Okay, end to this point. So first start from this point and try to take this. Okay, and again for this one, again for this one. Okay, so now what will happen? 1 into 1 into 2, what will happen? This is 2. Okay, so delta equal to 2. Okay, plus 4 2s are 8 into 1, so plus 8. Okay, 5 3s are 15, plus 15. Okay, no issues. Minus, again start from this point and end to this point. Okay, start from this point and end to this point. So 115. So practice आप कीजिएगा तो you will get directly. You no need to write all these. Okay, so you'll get directly. And फटाफट fraction of second में आपका आएगा आंसर. I am writing. That's why it is taking some time. So if you use shortcut method, you will get directly. 5 into 1 into 1 it will give you 5. Okay. Now 4 into 1 into 1, so it will give you 4. So plus 4, minus already taken here. So that's why I'm writing in a plus sign. So 3 into 2 into 2. So 4 3s are 12. So plus 12. So what will happen? 8 to 10, 25. 25 minus 5 4 9 9 12 21. So it'll give you 4. So this is the determinant 4. Okay. Now I'll try to write here. So determinant is 4. Now I'll try to write for adjoint. So I'll eliminate this rows and that column. So I'll go for this. So what will happen? This first wala. So 2 ones are 2. 2 minus 4. So what will happen? 2 minus 4 is minus 2. Now again 4 ones are 4. 4 minus 6. 4 minus 6 is minus 2. Write directly. Okay, do not multiply with the minus sign here. In adjoint, you can write for minus sign. Here you can use minus sign, but in this shortcut method, don't go for minus sign. Okay, so now 3 into 1 is 3. 3 minus 1. So what will happen? 3 minus 1 is 2. Row. So eliminate this and write for this one. So this will be for the second row. 5 ones are 5. 5 minus 4 is 1. Okay, 2 ones are 2. 2 minus 5 is got minus 3. Slides are visible to you?
No.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
okay,
sir.
okay, okay. So, okay, I was here. So 4 2s are 8. 8 minus 5. 8 minus 5 is 3. Okay. Now again 5 3s are 15. 15 minus 4. 15 minus 4 is 11. So I'll write 11 here. Now this one 1 ones are 1. 1 minus 3 2s are 6. So 1 minus 6 is minus 5. So this is the inverse matrix. This is the inverse matrix. Okay. ठीक है. I hope it is clear with you. Okay. Clear है? Now try to find, I have a matrix A is equal to, okay, so A matrix which is given here, try to find this determinant using the shortcut method. And for this, you can find directly also. So this is cos theta which is given here. This is minus sine theta. Okay, this is 0 and this is sine theta. Okay, this is cos theta and this is 0. This is 0 0 1. अब इसका डायरेक्ट आप निकाल सकते हो. No need to find the shortcut using the shortcut method. See, here you can see, if you take this one, okay, if you take this element, your all this will be eliminated, so you'll get 1 into this element. Okay, so what will happen, 1 into this element means other element will be 0, so no rows and no column will be added, so directly it will be cos square theta plus sin square theta. This will give you determinant A is equal to 1. But you can use, I have used I use that shortcut method to find, because if you find for the determinant, you take a row. Suppose I have a element, I have a matrix 1 0 0, okay, 1 0 0 and 0 0 4 2 3 1. So I can find for the determinant if this element is 2 also. Okay, no need to check. This is 1. So you can use directly. If you take this element 1, so you'll have this one. So 1 into 4 3 2 1, and again you can find for 0, you can find for 0, so all element will be 0, so no need to find. So directly try to multiply. 4 ones are 4, 4 minus 3 twos are 6, so 1 into 4 minus 6 will get minus 2 is the determinant. You can use the another shortcut. So ये आपको practice करने से आएगा. Okay, now I'll go for this and I'll take this example, this shortcut method, and try to find whether it is matching with 1 or not. So I have cos theta, sin theta, minus sin theta, cos theta. Okay, 0 0 0 0 1, and again I'll repeat for the determinant. The two column will be repeated. So cos theta, sin theta, 0. Okay, again minus sin theta, again cos theta and 0. So what it says, this says start from this point and end to this point. Okay, so I have ended to this point. So this is cos theta into cos theta. This will give you into 1 cos square theta. Again sin 0 0 will give you 0, and this is 0. Okay, so all these, this element will give you 0, this element will give you 0, and this will give you cos square theta. Okay, now try to find for this one. So this will again give you 0, so this will again give you 0, so this is minus 0 sine. Again this will also give you 0, this will give you plus sine square theta. So this is minus sine square theta into minus sine, so this will give you sine square theta. So this will be 1 cos square theta plus sine square theta, because this is 0 and this is also 0, and this is minus sine square theta, minus sine square theta. So this is the shortcut method to find the inverse of a matrix. Okay, and you can find the inverse also for this matrix. Okay, I hope this is clear. So a problem, any doubt?
सर
Yes.
सर एडजॉइंट वाले का शॉर्टकट एक बार फिर से बतला दीजिए, नेट कनेक्टिविटी के नाते नहीं हो देख पाएंगे इसमें.
Okay, let me tell you. See, this is the problem which is given here. A matrix which is given here. I have written for A matrix. So 1 2 5 3 1 4 1 1 2 which is written here. I have repeated the column 1 3 1 which is repeated here, and 2 1 1 which is repeated here. Okay. So now again the two column, so the two rows will be repeated here. The first two rows will be repeated. So I have repeated this one. Now for adjoint, I have already explained for the determinant, so you can go for the determinant. But for the adjoint, you just eliminate these first row and try to take this matrix. Okay, inside this you take first row will be eliminated, first column will be eliminated. Now check for this one. So now you take 2 cross 2 matrix, 2 cross 2 matrix, first 2 cross 2 matrix. So 1 2 4 1. So 1 2s are 1, sorry, 1 2s are 2, and minus 4 1s are 4. So 2 minus 4 will give you minus 2. So right here minus 2 will be written here. Now again go for the second. So this one is the second. So 4 1s are 4. I'll change another pen. Okay, So this one, 4 ones are 4, okay. So 4 ones are 4, 4 minus 3 to the 6. 4 minus 6, what will happen? 4 minus 6 is minus 2. So that's why minus 2 is written. Try to calculate in a row wise and substitute in a column wise. So minus 2 is written. Now for the this one, so 3 into 1 and minus 1 into 1. So 3 into 1. 3 1 the 3. 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. So that is 2 is written here. 1 minute. हेलो, हाँ क्लास में कॉल करते हैं थोड़ी देर में. हाँ ठीक है. So see, now I'll go for the second column. So see, second column which is given here. So now go for this and try to find. So for the second column, you go for the second row calculation. So 1 into 5 minus 2 to the 4. So 1 into 5, 5 minus 4. So 5 minus 4 is what? 1. So 1 is written here. Okay. Now this one. So 2 ones are 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 minus 5. 2 minus 5 is what? Minus 3. So minus 3 is written here column wise. Try to calculate in a row and substitute in a column. So this minus 3 is written. Now for this one, 2 ones are 2. 2 minus 1. So 2 minus 1 is 1. So 1 is written here. Now go for the third row calculation. So for third row calculation, okay. So for third row calculation, you go for this. So this one is basically 4 to the 8, 8 minus 5, 8 minus 5 is 3. So 3 is written here. Now 5 3 is a 15, 15 minus 4. So 15 minus 4 is what? 15 minus 4 is 11. So 11 is written. Try to calculate in a row wise and substitute in column. So now 1 one's a 1, 1 minus 3 to the 6. 1 minus 6 is what? Minus 5. So which is written here. And already determinant is calculated, which is 1 by 4. So determinant is calculated here. You can find. Okay. I hope
Yes, sir.
this is clear.
Yes, sir. Clear.
Okay.
Thanks.
Now I'll go for one thing which I have not explained in a previous class, which I have told you, which I told you that I'll explain in a later class. So the thing is Cramer's rule. So I hope many of you are familiar with the Cramer's rule, but maybe many of you are not familiar with this. But I hope you all are familiar. But see, just I'm trying to revise this thing. So Cramer's rule says you have a n number of variable or a set of equations, okay, which is having n number of variables. So suppose we have 3 variable and we have 3 equations. So that means 3 unknown we are trying to find. So using the conventional method, that is elimination method or substitution method, we can find, okay. But for the matrix method, the Cramer's rule is used, okay. So we can use the Cramer's rule. So try to do for the second two variable, okay, and again validate this and try to find for the 3 variable. So I'll take one example. And I'll try to check whether it is correct or not. Okay, Cramer's rule is correct for 2 variable or not. So maybe you take example x plus y, which is equal to 4. Okay, x plus y is equal to 4. So now this is good. So now I'll take another. This is 3x. So minus maybe you take 2y. Okay. So 3x minus 2y. So 3x minus 2y. Let it be. I am forming the equation. So let us take x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2. Okay. Sorry, y is equal to 1. So 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. It is validated. And now 3 into 3 is 9. 9 minus 2, which is equal to 7. So I have already got, I have formed this set of equations. So I know the answer, and I'll try to find using the variable method, the substitution method I can find, but using the Cramer's rule, I'm trying to check. So you can have this in a matrix, this can be written as AX is equal to B. Can I write AX is equal to B? Where A is nothing but a matrix which is having a set, okay, 1 1 and 3 minus 2, 3 minus 2, okay. and x is nothing but x1 and x2, okay, and b is nothing but the right hand side, which is given as 4 7, okay. So can I write in a matrix form? So this is the matrix form: 1 1 3 minus 2 x1 x2 and 4 7. Is it correct? I hope it is correct.
Sir,
So using
variable
this,
xy.
oh, I'm sorry. Yeah, it is variable is xy. I'm sorry. So this variable is xy. Okay. So see, this is using the substitution method you can find. So what is the value? X is equal to 4 minus y. You can substitute in another equation. So this will give you 3 into 4 minus y minus 2y, which is equal to 7. So you can find 4 3 are 12 minus 3y minus 2y, which is equal to 7. So you can have this 12 this side. So this will give you minus 5y, which is equal to minus 5, okay. So 7 minus 12 is equal to minus 5. So y is equal to 1 we got, and using this y is equal to 1, I'll substitute, and this will give you 4 minus 1 is equal to 3, okay. So that's what we have, okay, 3 and 1. Now this is the Cramer's rule. Cramer's rule says if you have this, you can find using the equation, okay. So what the equation says, okay. So the equation says you have this the a variable, sorry, a matrix, which is 1, okay, 3 1 and minus 2, okay. So try to find the determinant d. So d is nothing but determinant of this matrix 1 3 1, sorry, 1 3 1 and minus 2. So what should be the determinant? You tell me what should be the determinant. So 1 2 is a minus 2, okay. So this will be minus 2, and this will be minus 3. So what is the determinant? This is minus 5 is the determinant. Am I right? Okay. So this is the determinant. Now try to find dx, determinant of x and determinant of y. Okay. So try to find determinant of x. So for determinant of x, so we have for x, see, in this matrix, I'm multiplying this xy. So x will be multiplied always with this element, okay, and this element. So the first column element will be multiplied. Always we multiply this matrix, always this first element, first column will be multiplied with this x. So I am eliminated, I will eliminate this first column, and I'll try to write this, okay. So this eliminate 1 3 and write 4 7. What is whatever the things which is for the B matrix, okay. So B matrix we have 4 7, try to write B matrix, okay. So 4 7 and other things will be as it is, okay. So 1 minus 2, and try to find. So 4 2 is 8. So this will be minus 8 minus 7. What will happen? This is minus, what will happen? This is minus 15. Now for dy, so y will be multiplied always with the second column. So you eliminate this second column, okay, and write this B matrix, okay. So what is happen? What will happen? This is 1 3 will be written as it is, and this 4 7 will be written here. So try to take this determinant. So 7 1 is 7, 7 minus 12. So 7 minus 12 is what? Minus 5. So now this Cramer's rule says, says says that x will be the variable x will be written as dx divided by determinant d. So what is dx? Dx is nothing but minus 15 divided by minus 5. What will get? 3. What is x? Y says dy divided by d. So dy divided by d, dy means what? We have minus 5 divided by minus 5. So this will give you 1. We have already 3 and 1. X was 3 and y was 1. X was 3 and y was 1. So this is basically Cramer's rule. See, if one is asking you, okay, try to find the inverse matrix of A. So you can also find the inverse matrix, okay, and try to check the inverse matrix is correct or not, and try to find the inverse. So what will happen? We have Ax is equal to, we have already validated. The answer was x and y, okay. If you want to find A inverse, you can have this x is equal to, okay, Ax is equal to B, already we have. So what will happen? You try to multiply it with the A inverse matrix. So this will give you A inverse Ax is equal to this is A inverse B, okay. So this x, which is equal to A inverse B. So you can have x is equal to A inverse B. See, x is equal to A inverse B. try to validate A inverse, you try to find and try to check whether X is correct or not. Okay, so you can check your matrix. Okay, you can check your value, or otherwise you can find the A inverse matrix also from that point. Okay, from this if you have X and Y, you can find. So you can put this matrix, this X and Y substitution. So X and Y we have X and Y we have 3 and 1, and try to substitute. And A inverse is something you can write, maybe you can write A11. Okay, A inverse 11, A inverse 22. Okay, 1 2. Okay, A inverse A inverse of 2 1, and A inverse of 2 2. Okay, you can have. And B is nothing but 4 7. So you can just have this multiplication 4 7. You can multiply it with the inverse of 4 7. You can find using this one. Okay, so try to play with this matrix. Okay, and try to find. Okay, I'll go for the 3 cross 3 matrix, and let me check 3 cross 3 matrix Cramer's rule is valid or not. So we have one equation which is given as 2x plus y plus z. Okay, and now another equation which is given as x minus y. Okay, x minus y minus z is equal to 0, and another equation x plus 2y. Okay, plus z is equal to 0. So this is the equation 3 cross 3 matrix which is given here, and I'll try to find whether x y z we can find or not using the Cramer's rule. So what will happen if you write in a matrix form? You can have this matrix from 2 1 1. Okay, again 1 minus 1 minus 1. Okay, 1 2 and 1. Okay, so this is the A matrix which is given here, and what will happen, the X matrix maybe X Y and Z. Okay, and the B matrix which is given here 3 0 0. So this is the matrix we got. Okay, now what is the DB? See, we are trying to find the X Y Z using the Cramer's rule. So what is D? D will be determinant of this 2 1 1. Okay, 1 minus 1 2, 1 minus 1 1. Okay, try to use the determinant. So first of all I'll take the determinant. So for 2. Okay, I'll again use a conventional method. So if you want, you can use the shortcut method also. Try to write in a side. Okay, side में आप लिखिए उसको देखिए. So I'll write for 2. So minus 1 into 1, which is minus 1 plus 2, we get 1. Okay, 2 into, so minus 1 2, which is 1. Again minus 1 bracket. Okay, so this will be eliminated. So 1 into 1 is 1. 1 plus 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. Okay, 1 plus 1, which is 2. Again we have plus sign, which is 1, and for this I am writing. So this will be eliminated. So 2 ones are 2. 2 plus 1. So minus minus plus. So 2 plus 1 is 3. So 2 plus 1, which is 3. Okay. So now 2 minus 1. Sorry, minus 2. Okay, plus 3. So what will happen? We'll get 3. Okay, determinant is 3. I hope you can check. So what is dx? Dx is nothing but eliminate. Correct. Eliminate x column. X will always multiply with this column. So try to eliminate this dx. Okay. So dx will be 2 1 1 will be eliminated. So I'll, instead of 2 1 1, write 3 0 0, and write all these elements 1 minus 1 2. Okay, 1 minus 1 0. Okay. So for this I can write directly. So we'll have 3. So for this I can write 3. Okay, 3 into determinant of this minus 1 2 and 0. Other will be, I'll go for this column. So I'll eliminate this, and that will be eliminated. Okay, 1 minute. Yes, so you can have dx dy dz.
सर 1 माइनस 1 1 होना चाहिए ना, आप 0 लिखे हैं थर्ड कॉलम में से.
1 minute. I am doing some other work. Please let me know. Xerox दे दिया ना? ठीक ठीक ठीक. Okay. Okay. So and I'll go for this column. Okay, so I'll not go for this. I'll go for this column to find a determinant. Minus 1 plus 2. So 3 into minus 1 plus 2. What will happen? We'll get 3. Okay. So that is dx. Now what will be dy? Dy is equal to that column will be as it is. So 2 1 1 will be as it is. So this 2 1 1 will be as it is. And the second column which is multiplied with the y. So second column which is multiplied by that will be eliminated. So instead of this, I'll write for 3 0 0 and 1 minus 1 and 1 will be written here. So try to find using the matrix. So 2 will be written here and this 0. So this is 0 again minus 3. Okay, minus 3 is here. So this row will be eliminated. This column will be 1 into 1, 1 plus 1. So again 1 plus 1. Okay, again we have plus 1. So plus 1 will be written. You know why minus 3 is written? Because this alternate sign is there, so that's why it is written as a minus sign. So again for 1 this will be eliminated, we'll get 0. Okay, so what will happen, this will be minus 3 and into 2, so this will be minus 6. Am I right? This will be minus 6. Now for dz what will happen, dz we have 2 1 1 2 1 1 and 1 minus 1 and 2. Okay, and this is 3 0 0. Okay, so what will happen, we'll write for 2 and again it will be 0. So this will be 0. Now minus 1, again it will be 0, again plus 3. So plus 3, 2 ones are 2. So 2 plus 1, minus of minus 1 will be 2 plus 1. So 3 3s are 9. Am I right? 3 3s are 9. So you can have x, y, z, and you can find x is equal to using the Cramer's rule. Cramer's rule says x is equal to dx divided by d. Okay, so dx is what? Dx is nothing but 3 divided by 3, which is equal to 1. What will happen? Y is equal to dy divided by y. Sorry, dy divided by d. So dy is what? Minus 6 divided by 3, which is equal to minus 2. Again z, sorry, minus 2, and z is equal to dz divided by d. So dz is what? 9. Dz is 9. 9 divided by 3, which is equal to 3. I hope it is clear with you. You can find, try to take one example and find this. Okay, try to take one more example and find. See, I'm giving you one problem and try to find x plus y. This is the problem. Okay, x plus y. Okay, plus z. Okay, which is equal to 6. Again, the second equation have 2y. Okay, plus 5z is equal to minus 4. Okay, and one more we have 2x plus 5y minus z is equal to 27. Try to find the x, y, z. Find x, y, sorry, x, y, and z using Cramer's rule. Cramer's rule. Okay, so you can find using the Cramer's rule best way to find the 3 cross 3, sorry, the 3 variable equation. Otherwise, using the substitution method, it will be very difficult to find 3 cross 3 matrix using the substitution method or elimination method. See, in this second equation, x is not given. So instead of x, you can take 0. Okay, and try after while substituting x, y, z in a matrix. So keep in mind that x, y, z should be in order, and try to write only the coefficient of x, y, z. Otherwise, the coefficient is mismatched. Instead of x, you are writing for the coefficient of y. So that maybe leads you total all the problem will be wrong. Okay, so all the solution will be wrong. So try to use that. Okay. Yes. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Any doubt? If any doubt, please let me know. If any doubt, please let me know. Okay. तो क्लोज करें?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So next class I'll discuss state transition matrix. I was supposed to start this state transition matrix, but due to limitation of time and due to time limitation, I'll cover in this in the next class. So we'll see you on Wednesday. Okay. ठीक है?
Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.